Hello friends, welcome to this channel. We will talk about how to create YouTube thumbnail in Adobe Illustrator. Friends, I created a thumbnail in our Adobe Illustrator. So let's create it. First, we open our Adobe Illustrator. It's take few minutes for open. After open, we create artboard. So select here our artboard. We select 1280 into 1020 artboard. Select it. Select create button. Sorry. Now our artboard ready. If you want edit artboard, click here. I edit it height. Give 500 number of height. Oh sorry. Width 600. Change it to 8 6 700 pt. Now I create a rectangle box on whole artboard. Now we give another color. We choose this color. Okay. Now we create a circle for our image. This place it where you want. I place the right side on this and change its color dark now. And also friend, please remove its stock because it looks different. Now select our image. So I open my file manager. I select this image, or yeah, this image, copy it Adobe Illustrator, embed, now we create some text. First we create a rectangle, round rectangle tool with red color, place it on top and write subscribe, customize our text to uh, I change size to 40 or 50. Now 40. Change it color to white. Another our header text on this place. So select text and write YouTube thumbnail. I write some another text. This is YouTube thumbnail created by Vikash Yadav, and I customize it and change it color to white and character. I change my text character to this. Okay. Now our text like royal type. Now I create another rounded shape rectangle on bottom and color yellow. I do round and take text and I create my channel name apna code camp and place it on center, give size it and test is design text design. Okay, now this is select this. Now friend, okay friends, if you want export this or if you created it in png, so select file, go export, select export as. Now I select the picture file and name it youtube 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 thumbnail video thumbnail, the export it some option, select ok. Now it convert into png file and this is our thumbnail what we create. If you like this type videos, please follow our channel and subscribe it and bell the bell so I contact every time you. Thank you friends.